What's up, naturals? We are back with another all-natural remedy for this cold and flu season. Today we are making this golden elixir with ginger and garlic, okay? So you want to cut and peel your ginger and your garlic. Take some raw organic honey, pour that over top into a glass jar. Go ahead and mix that up to make sure all the ingredients infuse correctly. And look at that golden, beautiful, organic goodness. Okay, go ahead and pop that lid on and store this for 3 to 5 days. Remove the garlic and honey. Then you want to take a tablespoon per day or as needed for a cough syrup.